Hey guys, so this week we are talking about how we can describe factors that impact our carbon footprint. So last week we had this graph right here, and excuse me, and remember on this graph we were talking about how carbon dioxide in the atmosphere goes up and down. Excuse me, it has typical trends that keep it moving up and down. So it's normal for it to move. We can see right here that the highest previous concentration was 300 parts per million. Most people got that correct. And our current, in 2018 at least, our current measures of carbon dioxide were 407. Today, we're measuring at about 412 parts per million, so it's still going up. There are typical ups and downs, and more carbon dioxide means that there is going to be a higher temperature in the atmosphere. Okay, so our carbon footprint is the amount of carbon dioxide that is emitted due to the consumption of fossil fuels by a particular person. So anytime that you're excuse me, anytime that you are using something that happens to also use fuel or anything like that, you are increasing your carbon footprint. Anytime I drink water, while that doesn't seem like it uses fuel, it does, because we have to clean the water, we have to get the water from somewhere. We probably have to dig out a big hole so that the water will come out, and then clean it, all that stuff. So anytime we're using something that even doesn't intentionally use gases and fossil fuels, we are still increasing our carbon footprint. All right, so I'm going to have you guys watch this video on your own, and then after you watch this video, you can go ahead and describe in your own words what a carbon footprint is, and what it means. All right, so based on the video, you guys are going to find one thing that you did today. So one thing that I did today was I brushed my teeth. So I just went on Google and I found a picture of some random person brushing their teeth. And and we are going to use that to go ahead and describe our carbon footprint. Okay, so I brushed my teeth, and then on this next slide over here, you can see the toothbrush was made in a factory that is made from processed plastics using machinery that is also processed. My water is processed from underwater. My water is processed from groundwater into a water plant. And the toothpaste is also made in a factory from different chemicals, which are unnatural. So each of those chemicals also have to be made. Okay, so these are 3 ways that it has impacted my carbon footprint. Okay?